Hello MD, I rejoice with you as you celebrate your 21st birthday. May your family is blessed to have you in their lives. And dami ng utang ni Ninong sa'yo. I pray and declare in your life that you will just continue to discover your purpose for God. And may He grant all the desires of your heart on your special day. Enjoy your special day and God bless you.
Hello, happy birthday MD. Sana matupad mo ang mga wish mo sa buhay. Laging makikinig sa payo ni Mami at Daddy. Happy birthday uli and stay safe, stay humble.
Hi MD, happy 21st birthday. Wish ko sana matupad mga pangarap mo at saka bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng marami pang birthday. God bless.
Good day sa inyong lahat. Second time voice message, video message ako para sa iyo. For your birthday, happy 21st birthday in this. I'm hoping na matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo, more success, good health, and alam kong marami pagkukulang si Nino. Pero nandito naman ako anytime kung sakaling magkita tayo. Malay mo makabawi, di ba? Pero wala akong ibang hangad kundi matupad lang yung mga pangarap. Dahil bilang isang second parents is wala kaming ibang hinangad sa inyong mga anak namin is matupad lang yung mga pangarap, maging success kayo sa mga dream. So wala akong ibang masabi. Sana lagi kang gagabayan ni Lord saan ka man pupunta, ano man ang ginagawa mo, at patuloy ka lang sa iyong mga pangarap. Madapa, bangon uli, sige lang, gayahin mo si daddy mo, hindi sumusuko sa lahat ng laban ng buhay. So wala akong ibang masabi kundi happy 21st birthday. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa tiwala na ibinigay yung pagkakataon sa amin. And then lagi kayong mag-iingat dyan. Regards sa mami at daddy mo. Last sister ko, ingat kayo palagi dyan. May God bless you all. So happy birthday.
Happy birthday MD. Sana maging masaya at meaningful yung araw mo today. And gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang thankful ako na naging kaibigan kita / kapatid na rin. And kahit na malayo ka man ngayon, andito lang kami ng HB para sa iyo man. And always keep safe dyan. And ingat palagi sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. I wish you more blessings, good health, and more success sa buhay kayo ni Tita dyan. And kumbaga deserve mo lahat ng magagandang bagay na nangyayari sa inyo at darating pa. At sana man matupad mo lahat ng goals at pangarap mo. And one step at a time lang, diba? Alam mo yan. Miss ka na namin dito man. Sana kapag magkita-kita ulit tayo, pag umuwi ka dito sa Pilipinas is marami pa tayong mapagkwentuhan ulit and bonding na rin na babawiin natin. So yun lang man, love you tolls, happy birthday ulit. Peace out man.
Yo MD, just wanna wish you happy birthday man. Wishing you all the best. Congratulations on all your achievements. 21st birthday, big thing man, big thing. Sad to say, can't celebrate it with you as of now, but you'll always be in my heart. My heart, blood, sweat, tears. Against all odds, man. Against all odds. Mahal kita, man. But yeah, happy birthday. Lakers in 5.
Happy birthday, Mark. 21 ka na. Oo, 21 ka na. Pero magbago ka na, pero huwag kang magbabago. I love you so much. Uwi ka na ulit dito, man. Balik ka na ulit dito. I miss you so much, pre. Miss ka na namin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday MD. Kakagising ko lang naalala kong may video greeting nga pala para sa iyo at may surprise si tita para sa iyo, pre. Yun, happy birthday. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Tsaka miss ka na namin dito. Uwi ka na ulit. Pag-surfing na tayo sa Balerte. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Love you. Ingat.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, bro! Happy 21st birthday! Ano bang maganda sabihin? I'm wishing you a birthday filled with genuine laughter. We'll celebrate again soon. Just know ngayon na proud ako sa'yo, and yes, proud ako sa'yo, and always grateful that you're my brother. Amen!
Happy birthday, MD! Enjoy your day! MD, ang wish ko lang ay sana magpakabait ka diyan. Huwag mo kalilimutan si Nicole. Yes!
Hi, P. Happy 21st birthday. I hope you're enjoying your day. Your birthday with your family and friends. And lalo na sa surprise party ni na tito and tita sa'yo. Kahit na hindi masyadong surprise kasi nahuli mo agad silang nagpaplano eh. But my wish for you is to have more success sa academics or sa career man, and abundant happiness and lots of blessing. Keep on being a good boy kahit na may pagkamakulit and mapang-asar na side ka. I hope I can celebrate with you, but I'm virtually present naman, so okay na yun. Soon na lang. And just know that I'm always cheering you and supporting you towards your goals in life. And I am glad that we're focusing on our career and doesn't rush things. Enjoy B and have a blast. Mwah.
Happy birthday, MD! God bless!
Mau nuai, Sawadee Krap.